As we approach the end of the year, I wanted to take a moment to give my heartfelt gratitude to all those that serve within the community association management space. From our board members, our team members, our partners, as well as our subscribers. Thanksgiving gives us the opportunity to look back and really see both the challenges and the opportunities that we've had. I'm sure most of you would agree that this year has come with many challenges, but again, from these challenges, opportunities are created. And the first challenge that I would say is for our condo associations with 3 stories or higher, having to pass structural integrity reserves was no easy feat. However, because of that challenge, now you have the opportunity to do what's right for your community and address the projects when they need to be addressed. Next, with the changes in legislation, now board members are required to do a board certification. While many of you have stated that it takes time away, the reality is that it creates an opportunity for you to have a better understanding on how to better lead your community and provide the transparency and information that your residents are looking for. I know from our perspective, it makes it much easier to work with a board member that has that training rather than board members that don't have that training. And last but not least, while all these changes in legislation were very challenging for board members and management alike, what it's taught us is how important it is to have a strong relationship with your clients and, more importantly, with your partner. It's created an opportunity for you to create a much stronger bond, not just with your client, but also with your partners, and appreciate what each individual can bring to the table. It's in moments like these that we grow stronger as a unit and we build more trust and confidence in what we each provide to our community associations. So a big thank you to all our partners, a big thank you to our board members, to all those that watch the videos to gain additional knowledge and understanding of how to do better within your community association. So take this time to look back, appreciate everything that's done, and more importantly, to be grateful for those that surround you. On behalf of Affinity Management Services, we want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you in our next video.